Hell yeah. Guys, I'm kind of taking it easy because I ripped my boots off. My boots were old and I ripped them into shreds when I went to put them on. First time I've tried to put them on in a while. So I'm trying to take it easy, but I'm still having a blast. And the 250L is no chump. We're on factory tires that are not in that great of condition. They got 1,700 road miles on them, or miles. Then the middle is pretty wore down. I'm ordering tires this week, but I let some air out of them. And I haven't had the front end slip on me. I don't want to jinx myself. Oh, hold up. Here, let's stop. Knock on wood, the front end hasn't slipped out on me yet. Is this dude done making up dust balls or what? I don't know. Let's ride down here and see what it's about. We'll go down there. Nah. Damn, trying to get footage. And I short-legged myself. That's what happened there. See this dude make his... Oh, shit. We about got some spectacular footage right there, bud. That was very close. That was almost spectacular footage. Oh. Oh, shit. Dude, I hit that rock head on in the back end to come up and hit me in the ass cheek. I hope we just didn't get a flat. We're good. 50B. Let's see where the hell we're at. Yeehaw! Let's see where the f we are. I ain't got no friends. Alright. We're on this side of the road. 50B goes all the way around, dog. 50B. 50B. What is this shit? I don't know. I think I'm lost. 50B. I don't know. I have no idea. That's where I left. I think I'll be alright. If I just follow 50B, I'll make it back to a 00. Yeah, I gotta be going that way. Let's go see what's back here, just so we can drive through some mud and look tough. And I skip over the mud hole. I think it's just a little Oh man, there's a big ass mud hole. That's what it is. That's what Bigfoot Swamp is, and I'm sure that thing's ate the hell. It's even marked on the map as a mud hole. It's literally a brown spot on the map. I'm not doing that shit. I'm not doing that shit. I'm sick and tired of doing that shit. Nah, ain't no reason for me to go through a fucking mud hole. I'll go through this little feller. Oh yeah. Just to get some, you know, give us a little better traction maybe. Oh, ABS. ABS. That's the rock we took head on, I believe. One of these big son of a bitches, as I was hauling ass up through here. I feel like. That's the dome. Dude, I could easily go up there. I'm gonna come back with dubs and do it. Oh yeah, dude. They got the moonroof in those Terexes. Dusty roads, take me home to a place where I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama. It's country roads, I know, but these are some dusty ass roads. Think I don't know who Elton John is. I'm just playing, bro. Think I don't know who John Denver is. Woo! So all in all, or let's just say, the 250L is no it's no punk, but it's no 450, 250R. But it has its qualities that make it so off dope, man. And it isn't limited. I'm not limited, bro. I feel I am just mentally limited because I want to keep my bike fresh as I drive it to work. But other than that, I think the right rider could do anything. You put Graham Jarvis on this bike. Alright. No, where in the fuck are we? 50B. I think old Graham could do about anything on this bike, but he can do anything on it. I mean, I saw the man do some crazy shit on a 50. What am I talking about? That's uncomparable. That ain't even a, oh, he could do it. No shit, he could do it. Ripping, son. There we are. We're back in we're back on known ground. Let's go eat dinner.